So, we're going to answer how to check if a key exists in a JavaScript object. So, JavaScript objects are composed of different properties, each one holding a key value pair. So, we're going to see if a key exists in a JavaScript object. We're going to use a practical case, and we're going to go around 3 possible solutions, more or less. But beware that the first solution has a catch. Okay, so let's get straight to it. Alright, so we're in our code editor. We're gonna preview everything that happens in our console. So we're gonna wrap all our code in a console log. Alright, so for example, let's say we have an object named hotel with a property that contains rooms and the value of 4. If we were to print out this property in our console, we would get the value. Now, one of the solutions is checking for undefinedness. How do we do this? Well, easy. We could say hotel.rooms it's not equal to undefined. Because if it were to be equal to undefined, the property itself wouldn't exist. Right? So let's run this. And there we go. It's true. That means the hotel.rooms it's not undefined. But wait, there's a catch to it. Yes, if rooms holds undefined as a value, this method will return false, which means that it won't work anymore. We won't be able to check if the key actually exists or not inside our object. That's why we're going to see other 2 solutions. Let's go, we're going to comment that out, and let's go again with 4 rooms and with the second method. The second method will be using a JavaScript built-in method. Alright, there's a property that every object has. It's a method that every object has. Let's call the object first, and let's call the method hasOwnProperty. Okay, now hasOwnProperty receives a property key, so this method it's really reliable. Let's write the key rooms and let's check it. Great, we return true, which means that hotel has a property with the key rooms. Great, that's enough for our second method. Let's go with our last solution. Our last solution is really similar to the last one. We are going to console the result, and we're going to say here we're going to write first the key. All right, we're going to write the key, and we're going to use the keyword in to check if this property is inside the following object. We're going to type rooms in hotel, and we're going to run this, and it's going to return true. All right, just for a double check, we're going to write, for example, parking. Type again. Oh, it's appeared to be false. All right, unless we type parking. Yes. Then when we run this code, we will get true. Perfect. So these are the 3 possible solutions. Let's go back to them. Let's console the 3 of them at once. We get triple true. Now, if rooms is undefined, we will get true, true, false. All right. That's why this method it's not recommended, right? So there we go. We have just checked if a JavaScript object has a key inside of it, and if not, well, it's up to you what to do with it.